It's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Lake Elementary School, home of the Dolphins in Oceanside, California, standing outside the NPR where I just presented today on respect, and we are all miracles as the sub-theme. Respect was the main focus though. And you can see here that this mural like they have all around this school, different ideas, home of the Dolphins, part of the Vista Unified School District, but I got to talk to the AM/PM students, right, the after school program students. And you know, it was an honor to be back again, my third visit this school year of 2023-2024, and the students were awesome. Really responded, to the core of the message that I tried to resonate in their hearts. And, that's that, we all have this opportunity as leaders on our campus, at our school, and our communities to show that self-respect first to ourselves, but then push it out into this world, show it to others. And so we start with a simple question, what is respect to you? And got all variety of answers. The biggest one, though, that we kind of really try to ring true is that we have to choose kindness, right? And that we always have that choice. And so through a series of heartfelt stories, some inspirational videos, some motivational music, a hand motion rap, a call and response rap, the picture slides that reinforce the stories along with some physical props, they kind of took that to heart, right? And I tried to impart on them that, look, there's a lot of opportunities for us to be the upstander versus the bully, and versus the bystander. And, that we have this power and this influence, to either lift up or to tear down. And the students, when I got to talk to a couple of them after the assembly as well, they understand that, some of them have a certain influence, popularity, whatever you want to call it, here at this school, and they have that power, right? And are they going to use that for good or for bad, right? We always can choose to, not only show that kindness, but also see people for this too. And this being part of all my assemblies, but especially this one, we all have with the lines on our hand, the letter M. At the front of my shirt, this M stands for miracle. Upside down, W is for worthy, right? That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this. We have to buy into this and then go and be the light to other people's hearts. The ones that have never been told that, forgotten that, or just need a reminder. And, it's just so inspiring for me because you see these young people that want to make a difference, and to know that they can, already start stepping into their full potential, that's huge, And so I think, a lot of the interactive examples that we did today, talking about heart marks, heart bruises, the need to erase them, that when we show compliments or show kindness to someone else, it erases their heart marks, it also erases some on ours too, and we get to heal as well. So, all that combined, I think is, what they took home, and hopefully they'll keep pushing for the rest of the school year and beyond. But thank you so much for touching my heart. It was great to see you all again. Hope to see you in the future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.